chasing you away from my reality, breaking us into pieces. Once you were my dream. I don't know where we went wrong. You knew the answers all along. It's up to me to say to you, it's a waste of time, the things you do. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. It feels too much, so I'm letting you go. Letting you go. Memories are chasing me away from my reality, breaking me into pieces. I wake up from my dream. I don't know where we went wrong, and you knew the answers all along. Now it's up to me to say to you, it's a waste of time, the things we do. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. It feels too much, so I'm letting you go. Oh, I am. Those summer nights, I'm letting you go. I kissed goodbye before letting you go. Letting you go. Ooh, I know it's up to me to say to you, I'm letting you go, and so should you. Letting you go. Oh, it feels too much. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. I'm letting you go. Yeah, yeah. I kissed goodnight before letting you go. It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do is see things slipping through my fingers when he turns and walks away. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. So there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. I know I did him wrong. Now something is broken inside me. I got what I gave, I am worthy to feel this way. But I want him to know that nothing I did was to hurt him. And I'm sorry I gave him this burden. There he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yes, there he goes. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydream